Testing new recipes at a pop-up drink stand comes down to running small batches, tracking honest feedback, and comparing results side by side before you ever put something on your full menu. Think of your pop-up stand like a science lab, but with juice and syrup instead of test tubes. Start by making a tiny batch of your new drink, maybe just 8 to 10 cups, so you are not wasting a ton of ingredients if it flops. Offer it as a free sample or a small taste to real customers standing right in front of you, and actually watch their face when they take that first sip, because their expression tells you more than their words sometimes. Here's something a lot of new stand owners do not know. You should always test your new recipe on the same day and same weather conditions you would normally sell it, because heat, humidity, and even how thirsty people are can totally change how a drink tastes to them. A drink that seems amazing when you taste it cold in your kitchen might taste way too sweet or too weak once it sits in a hot cup outside for 15 minutes. Keep a small notebook or a note on your phone where you write down the exact recipe, the temperature outside, and what people said, so you are not just guessing next time. One common mistake is changing too many ingredients at once, so if a drink is not working, you will not know what actually caused the problem. Instead, change just one thing at a time, like the sugar amount or one flavor, and test again before moving to the next change. Another big one is only asking friends and family for feedback, since they usually just want to make you happy and will not tell you the truth. Try to get feedback from strangers walking by instead, and offer them a tiny free taste in exchange for one honest sentence about what they think. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.